Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm a therapeutic platonic cuddler and self-growth coach in Philadelphia. I'm trained through the company Cuddlist, and I have the real pleasure of being with Liz, who's been a wonderful client of mine. And Liz, would you share any advice or thoughts you'd like to share with someone who is out there and is thinking like, I might want to contact Kyle about learning more or possibly setting up a session and for therapeutic cuddling, and very understandably feels like unsure or uncertain if they want to just contact me. Like, what stuff would you like to share with them?
Sure. Well, when I first learned what Cuddlist even was, I thought it was a really interesting idea, and my immediate kind of gut reaction was, oh my god, it would be so nice to have someone to cuddle with. But the follow-up thought to that is, why don't I already have someone to cuddle with, a person that I'm already close to in my life? And getting over the sort of initial reaction of feeling almost silly that it was something I wanted or needed to seek out, or feelings of almost inadequacy because I didn't have that in my life at the time. But recognizing that just contact with someone can be so incredibly healing. So I think that, point number one is that it's a normal thing to want contact with someone, and if it's not something you already have, there's nothing wrong with you because you don't have it, and there's nothing wrong with doing what you need to do to get that connection. And it was an incredibly great experience. I was really anxious, I was really nervous, but Kyle is incredibly calming and completely put me at ease and went at my pace in terms of how much I wanted to cuddle or what kind of cuddling I wanted to do, and just made me kind of feel at home. And it was really, really therapeutic. I had a huge weight lift off my shoulders just from cuddling up for an hour.
Yeah, it's amazing. And